Compact design. The BENFEI DisplayPort to HDMI adapter connects a computer, laptop or devices with DisplayPort to a monitor, projector, TV with HDMI port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into pocket to do a presentation. Extend your desktop to a monitor or TV. Superior stability. Built-in advanced IC chip converts DisplayPort signal to HDMI signal. It is not a bi-directional converter and cannot transmit signals from HDMI to DisplayPort. Incredible performance. This converter supports up to 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p, including 720p, 1600 by 1200, 1280 by 1024 for monitors or projectors. Gold-plated DisplayPort connector resists corrosion and abrasion and improve the signal transmission performance. Latches design. DisplayPort connector with latches provides a secure connection. The latches will improve the connection stability and usage. When plug out, please press the realse button and easy to pull out. 18-month warranty. Exclusive BENFEI unconditional 18-month warranty ensures long-time protection of your purchase. Friendly and easy to reach customer service to solve your problems timely. Top reviews from the United States. Both of my 27 inches computer monitors only have HDMI VGA ports in the back of them, which wasn't an issue until I recently upgraded my graphics card, MSI RTX 2060Z, and it only had 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. Instead of taking the expensive route and buying a new $400 monitor which would have display ports added to it, I decided, like most people would, to just simply buy an adapter that would allow me to plug my HDMI cord into and convert that input to display. The HDMI port clipped into the adapter perfectly, and the male and female end of the display port also clicked in with ease. It is a very sturdy connection on both ends with no wiggle or play. It fits just as good as any high-quality expensive OEM brand would. The price you pay for this is fair and honesty for the quality of it and how well it has worked. I'm surprised they have not started charging more for it. Overall, I am extremely impressed and happy with my purchase and would not hesitate to go with this brand again. Everything is secure and works as it should.